Stickers, stickers, and more stickers. Guess it's time we build a sticker board. Let's get to it. Alright, so here is my sticker board. I realize that this is probably going to fill up fairly fast, so I do have plans, if they do fill up a little bit quicker than expected, of course. I was going to make some other different hand tools and stuff, maybe a plane and put a couple on there, a couple different saw blades, and just kind of fill up some areas. The main reason why I wanted to do it like this is because if something happens that I move or I want to shuffle stuff around in my shop, I'm able to put these where they need to be and they can fill in some holes and they look great, of course. So I want to thank everybody that has sent me out a sticker and a lot of nice notes. I do got to get my ass in gear and get some made. I'm just being really picky. I've been playing around on the computer trying to come up with different designs. If you can think of anything, maybe let me know down in the comments, and I don't know, maybe I can figure something out and get this done a little bit sooner. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I want to thank everybody once again. If you like this video and you want to see more like it, please hit that subscribe button. Give it that big old thumbs up. Leave me a comment as always. I love reading those. And until the next time, see you later.